Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a platform where you can access some of the most powerful AI models for free. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. The AI world is growing incredibly fast. New models are launching constantly, and many of them require expensive subscriptions or credit systems. With so many tools available, it can be confusing to decide which one is actually worth paying for. But what if you could test many of the top models in one place without paying for multiple subscriptions? That's where Chatbot Arena comes in. Chatbot Arena is a research platform where AI models from different companies compete with each other. Users interact with these models, compare their responses, and vote on which one performs better. Your feedback helps researchers evaluate AI quality, and in return, you get access to many powerful models. Once you open the platform, you'll see different modes, but one of the most useful options is direct chat. In direct chat, you can choose a specific AI model and start interacting with it. For example, you could select GPT-5 and ask it something like, "Give me 5 unconventional business ideas I could start tomorrow with less than $100." Within seconds, the model generates creative and actionable ideas. You can also switch models and try the same prompt with Google Gemini 2.5 Pro to compare responses and see which AI gives the best answer. Another powerful feature is web search. When web search is enabled, certain models can access live internet data. For example, you could select Grok and ask it about the most important AI breakthroughs from the last month. The model will search the web and provide a summarized report with sources. Chatbot Arena also gives you access to powerful image generation models. For example, you can select Nano Banana and generate high-quality images just by describing them. You might prompt it to create a photorealistic astronaut discovering a glowing alien artifact on Mars with cinematic lighting. You can even upload your own photo and use models like GPT Image 1 to edit it. Another hidden feature inside the platform is App Builder. Here, the system compares two AI models and asks them to generate code. For example, you could ask it to create a simple habit tracker web app, and within seconds, the platform generates two versions of functional code from different models. Now let's talk about another powerful tool that works perfectly with this workflow: Gamma. Gamma is an AI-powered platform that lets you create presentations, documents, and even simple web pages automatically. Instead of spending hours designing slides in PowerPoint, you simply type a prompt like, "Create a pitch deck for a new AI-powered mobile app." Gamma instantly generates a full presentation structure. It writes the text, selects images, designs the layout, and builds a professional-looking deck automatically. You can also change the theme with a single click, replace images instantly, and then export the presentation as a PDF, PowerPoint file, or share it with a live link. This is why millions of people use Gamma to save hours of work and focus on their actual ideas instead of design. And that's how you can explore powerful AI models, generate images, build apps, create videos, and even design presentations using Chatbot Arena and Gamma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.